Hi everyone, we're going to look at how to see the aura easily, and Mom, Jill Bruce, is going to show you how to dowse the different colours of the aura. So it's a very strange camera angle, but you know what I'm like with technology. So I shall leave it in her hands and she'll show you how to do it.
Right, well, first of all you need to teach yourself to dowse. And for this you'll need a pendulum, which can be a pendulum like this one, or anything really. A button suspended from a piece of cotton will do the job. If you and it will only answer yes or no. So if I say to myself, is my name Jill Bruce, it will swing that way, which is yes. Is my name Marilyn Monroe? It'll swing the other way for no. So we know that when it swings like that, that's answering yes. So you'll need a set of crayons or felt tip pens, which these are.
Do you want them open?
Yeah, can do that. So you need, as you swing it across, you'll find that it moves in a circle usually.
So what's the question you've asked it?
I haven't asked it a question yet. So I'm going to ask it a question now, and I'm going to say, what is the colour of my first etheric body? That's pretty bad.
Doesn't bode well, does it?
What is the colour of my first etheric body?
That's better. Go on, you move on and I'll give you this. Oh. Okay.
And then you can, if you dowse around the edge of the aura, if you start, it's not there, it's going from there. To there.
Do directions. Yeah.
I think I had some brown in there. From there to there is brown. And you can go on doing that all the way round. It takes quite a long time to get all the different colours of the etheric body, of all of it. Then you take the book.
Where's the book? There's the book.
And look it up. Colours of the first etheric body. And mine reads, I have pink, which means that I can be heading towards some kind of endocrinal activity, and brown, which means degenerative disorders, which is the muscles, and I certainly do have problems with my muscles. As you can see, it's quite close to the thighs and to my hands, and I certainly have trouble with the muscles of my thighs and my hands.
And your hand shakes.
My hand shakes, so that's showing that there.
Have you only brought one of these with you? Or have you got another one?
No, I've only got that one with me.
So we could perhaps scan this and for people to download. Would you be happy to do that?
Yes, so welcome to have that, yes.
Yes. So are you going to do more? Or have you got anything else to say about that?
No, I think that shows basically how to do it. It takes a long time to do it, but you'll find that it'll probably get a patch of brown that way if I went that way.
Right, yeah.
So I think that shows how to do it.
It does, it does. And so then what you would do is take the book, find out the interpretation, then choose oils based on the physical or emotional representation of the picture.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, I think that's brilliant.
Unless, of course, you're getting a lot of activity out in these areas of the body, of the physical, the
Spiritual bodies. Yeah.
And that would indicate spiritual activity, and then you can use the spiritual oils.
And they're in Garden of Eden, aren't they?
Yes, they are.
Yeah, yeah. Fantastic. Thanks, Mum.